I'm very pleased to be here this morning for a very, very timely topic, the Skills Gap Conference. So thank you to Vuvio for teeing up this topic.
By 2030, they're estimating that there will be 2.1 million positions that will go unfilled in the U.S. in manufacturing.
Our industry is losing knowledge and expertise daily.
This is not a problem that one company can solve for themselves. It's something that will require collaboration from all of us.
And so that's where this summit comes in. It's already been identified that we've got a skills gap, we've got an aging workforce, we've got a lot of people that are going to be retiring, they're going to be taking experience with them, and how do we equip the new generation?
Some of our problems is SMEs. A lot of them are retiring. We got to capture that knowledge before they're gone.
We also have a loss of tribal knowledge. In my unit last year, I turned over 5 people with a total of 105 years of combined experience in industry.
What is our skills gap? We have a need for a mature workforce. However, we need that very, very quickly. How do we transfer that knowledge?
We've got to focus on finding creative ways to do more hands-on, more experiential learning.
We're going to be moving towards changing as the technology changes. I mean, we did what worked when that's what was available. And now that there's more things that are available, we have to start finding ways to incorporate those things.
Something that we've been talking about in this room as well is, older generations kind of tend to shy away from technology a little bit or not be as bought into it, whereas the younger generation is gimme, 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 gimme.
I don't know about you guys, but I've learned a lot in our summit today about all kind of different things and ideas that I can do and change and do differently.
It was a learning experience to come here and understand from all the different industries kind of the challenge in front of us. So to have everyone give their testimonials on what it means to them and their company was an eye-opener.
I'm enjoying the insight from other companies and the sharing of information in our subgroups at our tables. It's just good to know you're not alone.